Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the count function in MySQL. The count function returns the number of rows that matches a specified criterion. That means it counts the number of rows or records of a table. The instruction will be select, then count, then the any specific column, then from table name. I have already opened XAMPP. Database is college and the table is student. So I have 9 records here, but I want to count this. Click on SQL. First select, then count, then the any particular column. Suppose ID. From the name of the table is student. Select count ID from student. If you count the number of ID, the number of rows in ID, you can find the number of records of that table, records or rows. So click on go. Here you can see 9. Let's see it again. I just put here name. That means how many values does the name column contain. That means that will certainly results the number of records. Select count, then name from student. Click on go. Here the number is 9. You can also apply condition here. Select count, then column from table name where condition. Like this, it just you have to apply condition. Select count ID from student where ID greater than 5. Where ID greater than 5. Select count ID from student where ID greater than 5. That means the number of rows which the contains the ID and value is greater than 5. Click on go. Here you can see the result is 4. You can see 6, 7, 8, 9. These 4 IDs are greater than 5. So the result is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 4 records. Again, select count. I want to put here email from student. Select count email from student where email like, let's assume that the records that the contains the email which has Yahoo, like single quotation, then percent Yahoo percent. That means the email string must contain Yahoo anywhere. So select count email from student where email like Yahoo. So click on now go. 3. The result is 3. You can see here. Now I want to browse. Here you can see the email content Yahoo that are here surya@yahoo.com, again ali567@yahoo.com, and also abdmalek@yahoo.com. That means I have three result. The number of records that contains the email Yahoo is 3. So that's why we can use the count function in SQL command. Thank you.